Today we will be replacing the daytime running light bulb on this BMW F01 7 series. As you can see, the one headlight is completely dead. Start off by pulling up on this plastic cover. Next you'll see the round bulb cover that needs to be twisted and removed. Once removed, you will see the bulb responsible for the daytime running light. Simply twist the bulb anti-clockwise and pull it out of the headlight. Next, release the two clips on the plug to remove it from the bulb. Follow these steps in reverse to reinstall the new bulbs. We've decided to go with LED bulbs instead of the standard halogen bulbs. This gives us a very modern look. We simply replace both to keep the look uniform on both sides.